Hello everyone, this is Amisha and welcome to the channel. So today's topic is something that will not only save your time but also simplify your fashion choice by building a capsule wardrobe. If you are confused what to wear every day, or if you want to declutter your wardrobe, then capsule wardrobe is answer for here. So let's dive into the step to create a wardrobe that should be a stylish, fashion, minimalistic and functional. So first of all, it's important to understand what is a capsule wardrobe. So it's a basically collection of a versatile essential clothing piece that can be mixed and matched to create a multiple outfits. So capsule wardrobe typically has a few items, but each piece is a high quality, timeless, and it's never go out of the style. So instead of buying a cloth which goes into a trend, you should focus a quality over a quantity. And now the second step is to detox your wardrobe. So decluttering your wardrobe should be a first thing that you should do. Those clothes that you are not wearing in last 6 months, now it's time to say goodbye, or you should donate or sell it and elevate your current style to see what's fit your body type and of course your personal style. A piece that is a trendy but now it's out of style, then it's time to say a goodbye and stick with a minimal neutral color outfit and of course of your personal style. So now that you have decluttered your wardrobe, and now it's time to identify a core essential. Those are the pieces that should be in every capsule wardrobe. For example, perfectly fitted white t-shirt, a classic black jeans, a versatile blazer and comfortable pair of shoes like sneakers. Those pieces work for every occasion, whether you are going to office or for a casual outing. Step number 4 is to choose a color pattern. A major principle of minimalizing is using a neutral color because they can be easily mixed and match up. And I recommend including shades like white, beige, grey, navy blue, and if you love some color, then you can add some pop-up color that represent your personal style. Step number 5, a major rule of a capsule wardrobe should be a quality over a quantity. Fewer items but a better quality. It's better to invest a few high quality items that should be a long lasting rather than a low quality of a product that will quickly get fade or just get damaged so easily. And also look for a good fabric like cotton, wool, denim that can be a comfortable and long lasting. A beauty of a capsule wardrobe that is every outfit can be mixed and matched with other. Just wear a white shirt with a blazer for your office and pair with a jeans and sneaker for a brunch, and you can style a skirt for a dinner. Just by changing one or two elements, you can create a multiple outfit without needing 1,000 of pieces. And here is a last step. Remember, the goal of a capsule wardrobe should be a consistency and simplicity. Review your wardrobe in the start of any season and replace your outdated piece with a new essential. And consistency is a key. More you practice, the more effortless your style will become. So yeah, that's it. Building a capsule wardrobe might seem challenging first, but trust me, it simplifies your life and making you dress up so easier. I hope this step help you in creating your own capsule wardrobe. So if you find this video really helpful, then please do like, comment, share, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.